Hey everybody, welcome back to Record-ology. Okay, today's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna be taking a look at this. What is this? This is the Ortofon Concorde Series DJ stylus. I'm gonna tell you about the whole line of products that they offer in this range. They're super cool. From an industrial design standpoint alone, this thing is beautiful, but it's also highly functional. For those of you aspiring DJs, they have entry-level units all the way up to full pro units. This falls somewhere in the middle. We're going to take a look at it, see how it works. Obviously, we'll give it a sound test as well. You're not going to want to miss this.
This is Record-ology.
Okay, so here it is. We're going to go ahead and unbox it in a minute, but I want to kind of explain what this product is and what makes it so special. So this comes from the Concorde series of styli that Ortofon makes, and this is the second generation, I believe. They now feature a replaceable finger lift and greater stability, and you can obviously replace the stylus as well. Now what you're going to notice here is this is a head shell and a stylus all in one, which is really neat, and it has a cool look, but it also serves as a highly functional device. Now, there are different iterations, different versions of this. I'm going to go ahead and turn it around so you can see the box while I'm talking. And I'm going to show on screen as well here. So the entry level in this line is the Concorde MkII. So the Concorde MkII has a spherical stylus. It tracks at 3 grams, an output of 6 microvolts, and a frequency range 20 to 20,000 hertz. If you go up a step to this unit, which is the one we have right here, it's going to have a little bit better suspension on the cantilever, a little bit more reinforcement there. It's going to be a little bit more rugged. It's a great tool. It also has a spherical stylus. It tracks at 4 grams with 6 volt output with a 20 to 20,000 hertz output as well. The different cartridges in line from the MkII all the way up through the DJ Club, Scratch, and Digital. But this is a premium quality product. It's designed to last a long time. Let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. And just second to none when it comes to packaging, based on what I've seen previously when we reviewed the 78 cartridge stylus. I'm going to be very careful this time. As you know, I'm terrible about doing, oh, look at that. It's so beautiful. I just love the design of that. And like I said, from a design aesthetic alone, just gorgeous. Here's a stylus protector. We'll leave that on until we're ready to rock and roll. 1/2-inch mount so you can plug it right in to the tone arm of your turntable. As you can tell, it's straight from the mount to the tip, so you're going to want to make sure that you have an S or J-shaped tone arm to use this in. Just beautiful, you guys. And it's as simple as that. We're ready to plug and play. There is a little washer in here, so I'm not sure if that is mandatory for using this or optional. I'll have to look in the user guide. Okay, let's get out the LP120 USB, hook it up, and go to town. Okay, so this should be a fairly simple process. Basically, we take the old cartridge, which is our Ortofon OM78, and we're going to place that back here in the holder, and then we're going to take our new cartridge, which is the Ortofon DJ. It does have this little rubber washer. I am assuming we need to put that on. You know what? Putting a washer on probably isn't going to hurt anything, so I'm going to go ahead and put that on. Yeah, so it fits, so I'm assuming it's supposed to go on there. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and just put it in like this. That's it, you guys. No alignment necessary. It's pre-aligned, and it looks awesome. So what we're going to do here is kind of something different than what we've done in the past. We are going to just, well, first of all, the record we're going to be using is this Jive Bunny and the Mix Master, or the Master Mixers, which is a record that Topher sent me. I thought it'd be perfect for this. It's the closest thing to a DJ kind of record that I probably have. So we're going to go ahead and use this with our testing here today. So this will track, is recommended between 3 and 5 grams. Don't forget to set the counterbalance. So it's recommended at 4 grams, so that's what we're going to set it at. That is the next thing we need to do. All we have to do is unclip it. You do have to take the guard off of the stylus. And we are going to rotate this back until the tone arm floats freely. And that is going to be 0. Then you know exactly what you're doing, and you can rotate the whole assembly then. In this case, we're going to 4 grams. that. There you go. Once you do that, don't forget to set your anti-escape, which should be the same as the value as this. Then you just get your record up to speed and go to town. Now initially, we're just going to be listening to the stylus. We're not going to do any scratching or backcueing just yet. But let's go ahead and give it a listen and see exactly what this sounds like. So now we're going to try some actual backcueing and scratching and really see how this thing works. Again, do not backcue or scratch if you don't have a DJ cartridge and stylus. You can't just do this with any stylus and cartridge out there. This Concorde line, this MK2 line, is designed specifically for this purpose. So be careful, do this at your own risk. But here we go. Okay, so I should clearly leave that to the experts, but anyway you look at it, this is a great cartridge. You may be asking, what are you going to do with a DJ stylus and cartridge if you're not a DJ? Well, you know what? It looks awesome, and it functions as a listening cartridge and stylus as well. Now, don't neglect the other styli and cartridges that Ortofon has. They have some that are very specifically designed for hi-fi and listening applications. In fact, I hope to review some of those in the future. But for now, here it is, the beautiful Ortofon DJ Concorde. Also, one more thing I want to bring up really quick is make sure that you don't try backcueing or scratching on a belt-driven turntable. The LP120 is a direct drive turntable, and that's the kind you really need to use. So if you don't have a Technics, make sure that it's at least an LP120 or something that will allow for backcueing. So direct drive only, no belt driven. All right, guys, and there it is. If you want to get a hold of this awesome product, click on the link in the description below for a great price, I guarantee it. But in the meantime, I hope you guys are enjoying fall. It's really starting to smell and look like fall out there. Got the pumpkin candles going, some fall decor, and I'm really excited for the holiday season. I hope you guys are as well. We've got some amazing content coming your way. I'm very excited to share with you. I wish I could give you a rundown on everything we're doing, but what would be the fun in that? You know, part of the fun of the show is what's going to be next, and I guarantee you there's some surprises coming. So you're not going to want to miss that, guys. Thank you so very much for being out there. Happy record hunting. We'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching Record-ology. Stay tuned for a new show every Sunday and Wednesday. Don't forget to hit subscribe and check us out on Instagram and Twitter.